you go. Go, buddy. Bark. Go, go, go. Go, you. Go, T-Rex. Go. Hello, Merry Christmas. Hey, you go. T-Rex. Bark. Bark. Come on.
Blizzard of 2009, we're helping our neighbor feed her neighbor's horses because nobody can get out. Push open the door.
No, don't film me. I thought you plowed this.
I tried. Look how deep it was. Oh try that again. If we get stuck, this video is going to become our Blair Witch Project or whatever.
Shit.
I don't know where the road is.
I'll try to stick to the.
Let's make sure I can get through this. Wow. We're going to go up that.
Oh my god.
Alright, let's see how big Booby do.
Are the horses still alive? God, I do too.
Don't have a
Now, where do I turn at, Connie? I don't want to end up in a ditch like yours.
Right. See my finger, right?
Am I doing it right?
Yeah, go. Yep. Straight up.
Straight up this?
You can't get up that, Scott.
Oh, yeah, I can. Oh, I don't want to end up in the ditch. Is that the ditch right
yes.
You're close to the ditch.
Yes, you are.
Very big bumpy, but
maybe we shouldn't go any further. Oh shit! Gotta get over there, bud. Right?
which way, left or right?
Right.
Make a path for me. Ugh.
Hi, buddy.
There's the horse. Oh my god. Yeah, crawl like that. Look at that. She neat.
We're gonna see if we can bust through these snow drifts in the hill behind our house and get up the road. At least get to the highway. Definitely cannot make it through that. Holy cow. That's 5 feet high. It looks like they plowed it, but plowed it shut? Whoa. Look at that. It looks like they tried to push it up. It's 7 or 8 feet tall. What do you think? You like this? day.